Good morning everyone. I am B. Sai Sushma. Today I want to discuss about the topics list functions and tuple and also dictionary. Let us start about list functions. Already I have discussed in my previous video about indexing and also I have given two examples in the previous video. Now let us discuss about slicing in list. For that we should consider take the variable list. So I have created the list. Now let's do slicing. Print list. If you given and -1, here -1 indicates that the list will reverse. Let us print this. Let us run the code. Oh sorry, list file is not there. Python space k3. See, you have observed that the variables in the list is reversed. So here -1 indicates the list functions will reverse, or the order will be reversed. If you enter here 1:4, then let us run this code. What will happen? So you observe that here 1 indicates index and 4 indicates length. So from index 1 to length 4. Here index 1 means in this index starts from 0. Previously I haven't discussed that. Here index 1 means it represents h. Here length 4 means it represents n. So from h to n it will print. So you have seen that it will print from h to n. Okay, now if we given here -1. So this is about list function. Let us discuss about tuple. Here list is denoted by square brackets and tuple is indicated by round brackets. Then tuple, it is denoted by, of course, round brackets. Okay. Indexing is also possible in tuple. Let us print this and let us run this. Let us run this. So here tuple in the index, tuple also starts from 0. So in 0 it is O. So it is printed. So let us print 6. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here in this given tuple, the index 6 is S. Slicing is also possible in tuple. If you given 1:7, here 1 indicates, same as in list, 1 indicates index and 7 indicates length. So from index 1 to length 7. So it will print from H to length 7 means yes, it will print from H to S. Let us run this code. So you have uploaded it. Next, one point I have forgotten that tuple means collection of items or variables. in that if you enter only one string, it won't accept as tuple. For example, here 0 is here all the here the string O is printed, but it is not accepted as tuple. For example, let us check this whether it is tuple or not. Type by using type. See, you have observed that the type is here, it is not tuple. It indicates that it is string. So for one element, the tuple will not accept it as tuple. If you given comma, if you put here comma, then again if you start, see here the class from string changed to tuple. So but in list we can only enter one variable, it will shown as list, but in tuple we can enter more than one value. For one value it is not indicated as tuple. So now let us discuss about set functions. Same in sets also, like same in tuples and lists. In sets also we can print strings, integers, boolean, float, anything. And also boolean, float, anything it will accept. But if we printing the list and tuples are ordered, the set are disordered, that means it will print in disorder form. Let us run this code. And the set is indicated by flower braces. Let us print this. You have observed that, see here it didn't follow the order, so sets are disordered functions, hence they are disordered, they didn't have index. While list and tuple have index, set didn't have index. And sets are mutable. Mutable means once you have entered the set values, we can change after it has been entered. So sets are mutable. Lists are also mutable, but tuple is not mutable. Here for if you want to print empty set, generally if you think this indicates empty set, no, this is wrong. Let us show that here type, if you enter here type, it's given the class is dictionary, it doesn't given it is set. So if you want to print an empty set, you should print like this. Let us run this. See, you have observed that. So if you want to print an empty set, you should write like this, otherwise it will accept as its dictionary. So this is about sets. Now let us start about dictionary. Here dictionary, the format is you should enter the key and the key value. For example, I have given that key is, for example, if you given name equals to Sushma and is, sorry, here we should give column Sushma, and also is so the use of dictionaries, we can see the format in order wise. So yes, let us print this. Sorry, if string should be given to both of the key and the key value. As it is string, we should denoted by apostrophes. So I observe that the dictionary is printed. Thank you. This is a total about list, tuple and dictionary.